हाय माय हेल्दी फैमिली, नमस्कार। मैं अर्चना, वेलनेस कोच, योगा कोच। आज डे 5 में आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। ये जो 15 मिनट्स का जो फिटनेस बूस्ट अप चैलेंज है, आप एंड तक जुड़े रहें और मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस भी करें। और आज तो विन्यासी योगा और पावर योगा प्रैक्टिस करने वाली हूँ। सो प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस विथ मी and please like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel. And if you have any kind of queries, so please comment in comment box. So let's start. First, to focus on your present mind, just inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale for 3 times. And then today we'll start from toes. Okay, so हम सूखा व्यायाम स्टार्ट करेंगे। हर एक जॉइंट को हम रेडी करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट, मूव योर हील्स जॉइंट क्लॉकवाइज, रोटेट इट 1 2 3 4 5, then anti-clock for the 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then another leg clockwise for the 5 times 1 2 3 4 5. Then anti-clock for the 5 1 2 3 4 5. This series going to be a very interesting today's session because already we spent 4 days. So now stretch forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Then another leg, stretch forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Very good. Now fold your knees, inhale, then open your hips, then close, then down. Do it for the 5 times. Then relax. Inhale, knees up, go side, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, go side, then down. Inhale, go side, exhale, down. Inhale, go side, exhale, down. Up, go side and down. Then move your hips side by side, left and right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then both hands straight and bend side by side. Not to touch your leg, just stretch your all fingers and then move left and right. Just go left, right, left, right, left, right. Then rotate your hips clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5. Then anti-clock. So 1 2 3 4 5. And then when you're rotating your hips, make sure you're rotating completely like this. Okay, then relax. Then inhale, then exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then ups, down, ups, down, ups, down, ups, down, ups and down. Now, don't touch your head. Just do like this and slowly go side and up. Look up. Then go another side. Then look towards the sky or towards the ceiling. Then do it again. Then look towards the sky. Very good. Breathing will be normal. Just left and right. And make sure your both leg is straight right now when you're bending side. So do like this. Then go for another. Do like this. Very good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, inhale, bend your neck back. Exhale, come forth. Inhale again, go back. Exhale, come forth. Inhale, go back. Exhale, come forth. Then move your neck left and right. You can practice with the breathing. Inhale, go side. Exhale, come back. Inhale, go another side. Exhale, come back. Practice it with the breathing, deep breathing. Okay, now hold your neck like this. Just touch on your shoulder. Then bend your neck as much as possible back. Then hold it for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Then bend your neck forward. Then touch one shoulder to another shoulder. Like this. And also touch your chin on your chest and touch left and right. Then relax. I hope your whole body is free right now, so you can move your body easily. So first, inhale, slowly go back. Exhale, body bend down, then lift up your heels, then fold, jump, go back, stretch, again, slowly body up and hold it for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly both hands down. Then again go back and stretch yourself. Then slowly one leg up, then down, then left leg stretch and down. Once more, up, down, another ups and down. Inhale, touch on your hands and another leg को भी ऐसे touch करें. Then go exhale. Then again stretch yourself in Parvatasana. Then slowly body up. Then both hands down. Leg go back, knees down, and practice breathing in dog posture and cat posture. Inhale.
Exhale.
Inhale.
Exhale. Now stretch. Hold for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change it. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again stretch in Parvatasana. Then slowly stretch forward. Come back. Then stretch your body for another side. Breathing will be normal. Then both legs come back. Stretch again. Then up, down, up, down. Now up, down, up, down.
Then slowly go back.
Then hips down. Go for another.
Stretch your body in Bhujangasana.
Then slowly upper body up, lower body up. Then swim without water. Go left and right. Only tummy will touch the floor. Your upper body and your lower body will be up. So go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Then relax. Both legs straight. Stretch forward.
Hold for the 5 seconds.
Then down another one. Then slowly. First stretch up. Go down. Stretch up. Go down. Stretch up. Go down. Slowly fold. Then go for another. Then slowly inhale. Don't touch the floor. Just tummy ups and downs. Ups and downs. Ups and downs. Then relax in Savasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then relax your whole body, relax your whole muscles. Then only focus on your breath. Only focus how air is coming inside, how air is going outside. So only focus on your nose. Then breathing normal. Talk to yourself. I'm very fit. I'm fine. I'm gorgeous. I'm active. I'm energetic. I'm fantastic. Say to yourself. When you are talking to yourself, feel that kind of energy. When you're saying to yourself, I'm gorgeous, feel you are gorgeous. When you are talking to yourself, I'm fit, feel you are fit. You are healthy. You are moving here and there with a very happiness. Then slowly deep breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take right side. Slowly sit down. Make your spine straight. Inhale, exhale for the 7 times deeply. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Completely inhale, exhale completely. Then slowly rush your both hands together. Feel warm on your face. Rush again, make it warm. And then feel warm on your eye muscles. And then rush again with a very lovely. You touch everywhere, all your joint, all your body parts. Then inhale again, exhale. Say thanks to yourself, say thanks to your family, and say thanks to the nature, to everybody. Then slowly open your eyes with a great smile. So 15 minute session over. So in this video इतना ही. मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट सेशन लेकर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आप खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें और thank you for watching complete video. And please, if you have any kind of queries, you can comment in comment box. धन्यवाद.